Hi! Welcome to the Picky Palette. Thanks for coming back and watching us. Today I got a brand new item to try, and with Easter coming up, it's gonna be fun. Are you ready? I am. Today we have Sweetarts jelly beans. Woo! Yeah! Oh, I can't wait to get into these. Alright, I'm ready to try some. Are you? Let's see what we got for flavors in here. Let's pull out a handful. Ooh, we got orange and green and purple. Alright, let's try some orange. Oh, wow. Definitely have that sweet tart flavor. But the jelly bean's kind of interesting in that it lasts longer. I like it. Now let's see what we can make with these sweet tart jelly beans. What we need for today's recipe is a 1/4 cup of jelly beans. Separate the colors, you don't want them to be muddied. We also are going to need a 1/2 cup of vodka. Doesn't have to be name brand, any vodka will do. We're also going to need 2 containers, I have mason jars, to put the vodka and the jelly beans in together and let them ferment. Today, we're going to use up all those jelly beans that you're going to get for Easter and do something a little bit more grown up. We're going to make jelly bean infused vodka. This should be the life of the party. Okay, so what we need first is our jelly beans. I chose pink and blue because they're a little bit like springtime. So we're going to pour those 1 in each container. Pour the pink ones just like in there. Remember, these are the sweet tart ones. Okay, they were already measured out. So then we're going to pour our vodka. For the vodka, we have 1/4 cup of jelly beans, 1/2 cup of vodka. Like I said, it doesn't have to be name brand because you're going to infuse it. So let's just have a good time with it. Pour it right in there like that. Now, if you have kids at home, make sure you label it so they're not dabbling into it. Put it somewhere high. There we go. Now let's put those lids back on. Nice and tight. Give it a little shake. We're going to let these set for 24 hours so we get the full infusion. Alright, this is what it looks like 24 hours later. Ready to make that into a real drink? Alright, let's try our new jelly bean infused vodka. There's so many flavors out there now that I don't know why we couldn't have a good time with this. Alright, first I'm going to try the pink. You can strain it if you want to keep the candies out, but I'll just give it a straight shot up. Interesting. Vodka's still strong, but it's got a nice overlay of sweetness. You almost don't even catch the tartness. Let's try the blue. What a cool drink this would be. I love the color. Let's see what the blue tastes like. Oh, you can taste the blue more. Oh, yeah. I think I might have to make this into a real drink. Let's add some 7-Up. Now they look good. Oh, love the color. And then, just because I'm a girl, add a little cherry on top. Okay. I don't know if I need to stir this up or swish it around. Let's swish a little bit. Oh, that's smooth. That's smooth, and boy, that's going to take care of your Easter. thank you for watching The Picky Palate once again. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video comes out. And don't forget, above all else, and out in this world and whatever, remember, you can do this. That's disgusting. Oh, I can't even swallow. That's gross.
Spit it out, spit it out, spit it out, spit it out.
Good.